Right, 6:01 p.m. Wala akong kasama rito, walang ating team. It's okay. So right, let's begin. Again, if you have questions, just drop those questions, type them down at the message box, and I'll be happy to answer them right now. I hope my audio and my background noise is clear. Of course, I'm currently working at home, so you don't mind if baka meron a little bit of sounds, tricycle sa labas, whatsoever. Anyway, so again, this is Angelo. I am the founder of Anicon Group of Companies. I'm sure you've seen this kind of presentation if you have checked our other company, Anicon Study Abroad. And I am also the founder of Ryugaku Marketing. Ryugaku and Anicon are both under one company umbrella, which is Anicon Incorporated. Anicon is actually my name, Angelo E. Concepcion. And I'm happy to present to you our paid apprenticeship program or the continuing education program in Germany. This is already in batch 2. Kasi po si Anicon, they'll be stopping the recruitment until halfway of batch 2. Kasi they'll be focusing on our other programs there for Malta. So for the meantime, we'll be transferring the focus of recruitment for the batch 2 and batch 3. Batch 3 is still not confirmed if magkakaroon tayo. But definitely batch 2 meron tayo. The classes ideally should start October 15. If mag-e-extend pinakamatagal na po October 30. Kasi we need to create a timeline, guys. Later you'll see why. Na 1 year, kasi the concept is mag-aaral ka dito sa online sa Philippines and German. After that, lilipad ka pa Germany after 1 year. So dapat eksakto yung timing natin. Right? So hanggang batch 2 lang muna tayo. Batch 3 tentative. So if you are really interested, I would say side immediately so we can finalize everything on your application. Right? Okay. I'll turn off my video for now para mas okay ang internet natin. If you have questions, I can drop them down later on. I'll be happy to answer them. Anything. Okay? Just a second. Right. So let's begin. Okay, quick introduction. Hopefully everyone can see my screen and my audio is very, very clear. Quick introduction lang about this company that you are in right now. Again, Ryugaku, which is a Japanese term that translates to study abroad, is part of the Anicon Group of Companies and is the sister company of Anicon Study Abroad. So all the presentations that we are presenting is the same. I'm the one who created it. And for the Ryugaku Marketing, since we will be doing the support for this specific program, because there's really a good demand for it. But we just have to balance out. So Anicon will be focusing on the Malta program for the meantime. So Ryugaku Marketing, Ryugaku Marketing is not an agency. So ang agency natin is si Anicon Study Abroad. So Ryugaku Marketing is not. Ryugaku is a professional and expert of the education tourism industry. We are more of counselors. So for the Ryugaku Group, I'll be the one managing it overall. We have here right now Miss Yean, who just joined us. Ma'am Jen is not here. She's kind of sick. And Ma'am Mona, who's at the head of our affiliate group. Okay. So this promotion, again, is a support towards the program because there is currently a strong demand. So batch 2 and 3, watch out for it. It will only be promoted or managed by Ryugaku Marketing from here on. Ryugaku is the one that developed the program for Anicon towards the paid internship in Bulgaria. Kung nakita nyo sa page nila yon, we used to have Bulgaria in a span of 3 years, but we just did our final batch. So we will not be relaunching Bulgaria until maybe more legalities are fixed kasi recently naging part ng Schengen si Bulgaria program, si Bulgaria as a country. So given part na siya ng Schengen, may mga new processes that we need to comply on. So since medyo iffy kami on how it goes, we're not promoting it right now. So if ever you see a program of Bulgaria online, kasi I think they opened an office in Dumaguete, that is not under our company anymore. And be careful on what you see and what you join kasi marami siyang loopholes, baka sayang ang gagastusin ninyo. Hence, that's why we came up in repackaging this apprenticeship program na matagal na nag-exist. Pero eto, matagal siya nag-exist pero we repackage it for something easy to digest and magigets ng lahat, right? And of course, with the Anicon Group of Companies, we specialize in anything education, tourism for all destinations outside Canada, Australia, yung mga usual. Kompleto kami. Kami rin ang nag-monopolize ng market for South Korea and so on and so forth. Thank you, yeah. Right, and our website, we are currently updating it, ryogakumarketing.com. Our registration is under Anicon Tourism Consultancy Services Inc., SEC. But Ryogaku itself is registered as a sole proprietor. So everything is legal, documented. If you want to ask more about our performances, testimonials, you can always check out the website of aniconinc.com. Check our Facebook pages there. Lahat ng student ng Anicon, same siya. Again, one mother company kami. Yung iba ron galing kay Ryogaku, makikita nyo the testimonials, the video recordings at the YouTube, etc. Right? Hopefully that's clear. There you go. Now, let's start with a quick introduction. Siguro some of you may be asking what is an apprenticeship versus what is an internship. Some of you may already know what the program is all about, which is the Ausbildung. Okay, Ausbildung in its literal translation means vocational course. I'll go deeper into that later. So this Ausbildung program is repackaged as the apprenticeship program because that is another definition to look into it. Ngayon, ano ang apprenticeship versus ano ang internship? Let me try to simplify it more. Ang internship is I guess in the Philippines setup, it's more known as the OJT. Can be paid, can be not paid, but part of the curriculum, or if not part of the curriculum, it's basically just to, what do you call this? Give you experience on a certain task. Usually short-term siya. Kaya yung sa Bulgaria namin, it was a short-term program. Wala siyang continuity kadalasan. Mahirap siyang lagyan ng continuity. Apprenticeship, meanwhile, it's a higher version of an internship. It's more of like a management trainee. As you can see on the definition here, you can Google it as well. Apprenticeships are typically long-term, paid positions, focus on developing specific job skills that can lead to formal employment. Hence, apprenticeship is greater than internship by basic math, right? Okay. Now, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina. What is exactly the Ausbildung? Okay, Ausbildung is a German term that means vocational school. So there are two types of Ausbildung. Okay, there's the dual Ausbildung and there is the school-based Ausbildung. Sa amin sa Anicon Group of Companies, meron kaming school-based Ausbildung with this German university in Berlin. The name is MDH or Media Design Hochschule University. Kasi ang translation again, Ausbildung is vocational. So technically, you're taking a diploma course. Ang school-based is you're really studying. Ang dual Ausbildung, okay, this is more of like an 80% practical work versus 20% theoretical. School-based is more study, more theoretical. Dual is more practical. Ang dual Ausbildung is, I think I like the terminology I use. It's like TESDA with steroids. Ganun siya. So nagte-take ka ng specific trade skills, okay? Pero on a long-term basis. Kasi sa Pilipinas, ang TESDA is very short-term. Super introductory siya. It's just to give you a jump start. In Germany, it's very professionalized. So imagine you learn mechanic course or pag may mechanic ko sa TESDA in 3-6 months. In Germany, talagang professionalized siya. You can become a mechanic, but you need to study it via dual Ausbildung for 3 years. Right? So this program, the Ausbildung is for 3 years. Okay? Later, stay lang kayo, makikita nyo yung other details. Okay? Kasi ba, panghinaan kayo, ay 3 years, ang tagal. I'll explain more why you should stay, and I'm sure this is gonna be worth it. Right? So in a nutshell, all right, the paid apprenticeship program is a vocational study in Germany that includes practical paid training. All right. It's a program under or related to a student visa. The exact visa you're getting is an Ausbildung visa. Okay. It is currently the most affordable and value for money study abroad program. It is low risk but has high rewards. I know that statement may sound too good to be true, but it is legit. I'll explain to you why. It is low risk, but it does not mean it's an easy risk. Okay? I'm sure baka iba sa inyo, tama rin, panghinaan. Depende sa trip nyo. I'll explain more later about that as well. And of course, this program has been established a long time. You can always Google it. Dual Ausbildung, nasa website din ng German Embassy yan. Lahat has been established. Again, we are just repackaging it for everyone. Easy to digest. Okay. Ito ang magiging summary on how the program looks like. First step, okay, for you to get a brighter future. First step, you need to determine your eligibility. The ideal age group for an Ausbildung or dual Ausbildung is 18 to 33 years old. If you are 34 or 35, pwede pang tanggapin as long as you are okay with the risks. What are the risks if you are more than 33? Baka lang hindi ka kaagad mabigyan ng industry partner that will sponsor your study for the Ausbildung. Kasi may preference sila. Hindi po kami nagdidikta niyan, it's the industry partner or the companies. For this discussion, we'll call them industry partner. Right? So yun ang preferred age. A bit older, may konting risk. Pero what if gusto mong isugal, what's to lose? I don't think there's nothing to lose. I think you gain more. Number one, you learn a language. If ever wala kang makuha ang industry partner for the longest time, halimbawa 1 year wala pa, you can just study in Germany for free. Did you guys know, the top quick trivia, if in Europe, there are a lot of free education there. The only catch, you need to learn the language. Alright? Yun lang kasi ang tao, walang enough patience. They don't see the reward. And we are here to guide you towards that reward. Right, so again, first step, eligibility check, it comes to age. Second check, 12 years of education at the very least. So kung old curriculum ka, at least second year college na natapos, new curriculum K-12. That's the first step. If okay ka dyan, lusot ka, your next step for a brighter future is you need to study 1 year German language online in the Philippines and reach B2 level. Ito na yung pinaka-catch. Yes, I did say low risk, but I did not say it's an easy risk. So dito nagkakatalo ang mga tao. Bakit? Kasi ang tao walang patience. Right? Here's the thing. This program, I'll show you later, is very affordable. The rewards are high. Pero again, kung gusto mo ng high rewards, tapos wala kang budget, you need to spend time. That's how economics work. If you have money, you can go fast. If you don't have money, you need to take time. Okay? But again, ito lang ang risk na hinihingi ng German government. 1 year German language online and you need to reach B2 level. Mamaya isipin nyo, sir, paano kung maabot ko ang B2 level in like 3 months? Well, by statistics, you cannot. But if you can, good for you. The 1 year that we dictated here is based on the standard that happens. Right? So this is the idea. 1 year online B2 level. After that, third step to a brighter future, along the way, within the process, how we do it with our company is we create milestones. Because studying for 1 year is freaking boring, right? But that is where we come in. We guide you with milestones. We check on you every month. We do once a week meetings if possible, just to get you to push and remember what your end goal is. Kasi pwede kayong tamarin talaga. Right? That's human nature. But we are here to push you. You're investing on it. Make sure to finish what you started. Along the way, 3 to 4 months, we will be endorsing you to an Ausbildung employer. This is the industry partner. When we say Ausbildung employer, ganting proseso. Kasi ang kadalasan po pag student visa, di ba, tatanungin nyo, saang school po? Kabaligtaran sa dual Ausbildung. Ang sistema, pag nakita na lang yung resume mo, i-check, o pwede ka mag-fit sa gantong industry, pwede ka mag-Ausbildung ng kunyari caregiving. I-endorse ka sa isang industry partner or a company na mayroong caregiving jobs. Tapos, automatic in Germany, lahat ng mga companies, laging mayroong Ausbildung school yan. Laging may kakakibat na Ausbildung school. So from that company na kukunin ka, itetrain ka as an apprentice, automatic i-enroll ka sa school nila. Then yung school nila, yun ang magpa-file ng inyong student visa or the Ausbildung visa. Clear? So from while studying, ipo-profile ka. Then after profiling, kukunin ka ng company. Yung company may kaakibat na school. That's where they sponsor your offer. And that's where sponsor your visa. This program, guys, do not require show money kasi company sponsored ka. Again, you can Google it. Okay? It sounds too good to be true, but it's true. Matagal na siyang existing. But the catch, you need to study language. Yun yung pinaka-pinupush namin. Right? So hopefully that's clear. Those are like the 5 easy steps for a brighter future. Is it easy? Personally, I think so, because when I was younger, I didn't have this. You guys are lucky. It's up to you now if you are patient enough and focused enough to reach that goal. Okay? Or kung may pera naman kayo, you can just go with the regular student visa. Okay? Pwede naman din yan. Yan. Alright? So these are the courses, temporary or a partial list pala, not temporary, partial list of courses. There are always at least 300 Ausbildung courses. You can always Google it, make it in Germany.com, nandiyan yan. JK, I forgot the name of the company. Yan yung marami silang in-offer na Ausbildung. Hindi siya bababa ng 300, kaya hindi ko siya mape-present dito. Uulitin ko po, ang listahan na lang dito is a partial list. Okay? Meron kami ng lahat halos. You can always ask me, you can always Google it online. Meron for sure na mga courses ninyo. Ang pinagkaiba pa ng Ausbildung versus a regular degree, ang regular degree, yan yung mga managerial post. Ang Ausbildung, since this is a diploma course, it focuses more on the possibly blue-collar professional jobs. So ang magiging target natin will be 3 industries muna. Trades, health, and hospitality. As you can see, meron dito nga nursing and caregiving, medical assistance, tax clerk, bahimala may tax clerk dito, retail salesperson, skilled worker, automation technician. So very much blue collar, but we're professionalizing everything. Okay? So yan siya. Marami pa yan. IT specialist, culinary, etc. Yan. Iba-iba yung courses na nandyan. Right. Important points. This is technically also in a nutshell. So, ang dapat yung tandaan guys, sa paid Ausbildung program or paid apprenticeship, the student is only paying for the language program. Wala kayong binabayarang tuition sa school because the government of Germany or Europe itself designed Ausbildung to be free in most cases. Why do I put most? Kasi sigurista lang ako. But yeah, in the past years, it's always been free. Okay? We never found a school that would charge. There's a possibility kung may charge sila, parang ano lang siya, miscellaneous fee, like maybe 1,000, 2,000 pesos. Yun lang naman yun. Kasi may iba rito nililiteral, sir, sabi niyo free, ba't hinihingan ako ng 2,000 pesos? Eh, meron eh. Okay? But the tuition fee is free. Alright? No show money is required. Accommodation is also free. Airfare is deductible from your stipend. Take note, I'm not using the word work or salary kasi this is not a manpower program. Baka ma-fall tayo. Alam niyo man, DMW, napaka-sensitive yan. This is an apprenticeship program. So the amount you're earning is a stipend or as part-time income lang yan. Okay? But I'll show you later, it's still more than you need kasi wala ka ng ibang binabayaran. So don't be greedy, guys. Be patient, right? In some cases po, meals are also free. Depende na lang kung saan ka mag-Ausbildung. Kung saan ka mag-Ausbildung, you don't have much control to it, but you have the right to refuse or accept. If you refuse an Ausbildung program that is offered to you, you'll just have to wait longer. How long? I don't know. Maybe 3, 6 months. It's up to you. I suggest just accept it kasi technically it's free. But again, still do your due diligence. Lahat naman to is legit. Hindi ko sinasabing umuo kayo kahit mali na. Wala namang mali sa ibibigay, pero wag rin kayo masyadong maselan po. Alright? Okay. Next bullet point, the pathway for the Ausbildung visa is like a regular student visa. Work and residency is still available. So as you know, with our company, if maybe you've seen me with Anicon Group, we always create programs. Kaya hindi kami agency lang eh. We are more of counselors. We create programs that is almost guaranteed na dapat mayroong continuity. Hindi pwedeng dineploy at in-enroll kita tapos bahala ka sa buhay mo. Hindi. We will guide you until you graduate. Kaya long-term ito, guys. If you decide to sign with us, make sure you're ready to be talking with us regularly as well. We can meet in person in our office. Let me know by appointment. I'm gonna come and visit there. Okay? So, yan. You can be a resident in Germany usually on your 4th year of stay. Mas mabilis by a year ang Germany. Okay? Compared to other European countries, except Spain. Okay? By the way, if you have questions, you can always ask anything. Again, kahit hindi tungkol dito, gusto i-compare other study programs, I'd be happy to answer them for you. And then lastly, it's possible that you can get double income kasi kumikita ka na sa apprenticeship mo. Plus, given Ausbildung visa is closely related to a student visa, you may still be able to avail the 20-hour work week privilege. Okay? Yan. Dito tayo ngayon sa ating costing. Bakit matago? Sa costing natin, wait lang ha. Right, ang costing natin, sige, lamnamin nyo muna ayan. So, ang costing natin is the same. Wait lang po, sorry. I have to drop this call. Okay. Yan. So, costing natin is ito. Pareho-pareho lang po siya sa Anacon. Then you don't have to worry too much about it. You can always check it. Ito yung magiging payment terms natin. This is very, very low na for a student visa program. Again, I'm sure you've checked other student visa programs. Canada, Australia, yung most common. Wala kang makikita ganito ang babayaran mo. Plus no show money. Okay? Plus sponsored pa ng company. Right? So, ang una pong magiging step, if you are interested to enroll, is number 1, classes again will start. The ideal date is October 15. If madidelay man, October 30. We need to start. We cannot delay. Kapag hindi po kayo nagsali ngayong batch, next year na po kayo and you'll be in Germany by 2027. Kasi 1 year kayo mag-aaral online. First step is you secure the 35K muna. Okay, you can pay maybe 5, 10K tapos bayad ng mga next after. Let me know lang what your terms will be. Basta, bago namin kayo enroll sa A1, bago mag-start ang classes, either 15 or 30th. Let's assume 15th muna. We need to push on that timing. You need to full the balance, pay the balance in full, pati itong 33K. Yan lang muna ang babayaran, 35 and 33. Okay? Yan dalawa lang. Bago mag-start ang classes before the 15th. Again, you can start to secure your slot by paying only 5K. I'll show you the bank details later on. All the fees are non-refundable once it starts. Backing out halfway will result to penalties. However, kung magkaroon kayo ng problem, halimbawa na, sir, hindi ako matutuloy, nagka-problem, pwedeng i-pause, itutuloy kayo for next batch. Hindi naman po makakancel ang inyong application. Okay? Pwede siyang i-continue next batch. Or pwedeng transferable. Kung may kilala kayong gusto mag-enroll, sila singilin nyo, papalitan namin yung pangalan. Pwede naman yan. Yan. So, ang inclusion ng mga bayad ninyo, going back lang tayo, no? Ang mga next payment is eto, sunod-sunod na yan. Ang next payment for before the B1 starts would be after 4 to 5 months. So, magsa-start ang classes na October 15, November, December, January, March. Mga March na magsa-start yung next batch, next level, the B levels. Okay? February, March. All right, the inclusions will be, the 150 is just a 1-year German language online, program management, full documentation, transition assistance, representation, which is important, okay? Kasi wala po kaming control on how the industry partner will work with you. It's their process. But we definitely represent you in terms of negotiating, making you understand para kung talent manager ninyo guys or the legal representative. That's the whole amount that you're paying. And again, our support to you is until you graduate. So divide the whole amount you're paying, divided by 3-4 years. Divided by 4 years. Yun yung value na binabayad nyo sa amin, which is hindi kayo talo. Alright? Connection with the Ausbildung Network. And of course, if ever magkaroon kami ng mga company partners, which always happens, if you know us, in South Korea, our student visa program, kumpleto kami, full package yung may kasamang employer pagdating sa caregiving program. We can do the same for the Germany program. Okay? Okay. So, if you are okay with the cost, what's your next step? Again, just verify your qualification. You sign the agreement, which I can send via email immediately. Then, pagka-sign na agreement, that's the time you deposit, kahit 5K muna, just to jumpstart everything. We create a chat group, okay? We plan your timeline. We always plan, okay? Hindi kami pag gumawa tayong chat group, eto next. We need planning, kasi marami kayo eh. We need to create, kailan tayo mag-uusap, anong next step, para organize tayo. Then, the only documents you need to submit, resume, passport, and your last education documents to justify 12 years of study. Then, implementation and monitoring na tayo. Right? So this is our usual timeline. Again, the ideal timing is we will start October 15 for A1 levels. What if you have another level? I'll explain that more later. Certification happens at least every 2 to 3 months to check level reach. Earlier, I met with our German counterpart. He confirmed you don't need to take a certification test on the A levels. kahit sa B1 and B2 level ka na kumuha ng certification test. Kasi kakailangan, magbabayad ka ng certification test para mga 10,000 pesos. Sagot niyo yun guys, hindi kami. Certification is needed. Hindi pwede sabihin natuto lang kayo. Dapat certified by a governing agency. If I'm not mistaken, Goethe Institute, I'll double check. I can pronounce German words. Kaya para siyang JLPT or TOPIK na Korean. Alright? The final test to confirm your certification for 2026 is July. Para by August, starting August, pwede na kayo ma-deploy pa Germany if ready na yung employer. Kasi hindi kailangan matapos yung B2 level nyo para magkaroon kayo ng standing offer. Minsan, A2 level, nakita yung qualification nyo, pwede na kayong bigyan ng offer. With the assumption, matatapos ninyo yung B2 level. In some cases nga, B1 B1, sige, lipad ka na, tapos tapusin yung B2 sa Germany kasi online lang naman. It can happen, right? So, there you go. No timing can change without immediate notice, but again, we are here as like your legal advisor. We will be monitoring and working with you along the way. Right, some common questions. I'll try to answer some of them. Mamaya may mga nagtatype na I can see. But let me lay down some of the common questions first, then uulitin natin maya-maya. Right, how long is the program? The total program is 1+3 program, meaning 1 year online in the Philippines and 3 years in Germany. Right? What if I have a German language level already? So depende po sa level ninyo, you can enroll at the next level needed through our program. Bawa, meron ka ng A1, edi mag-A2 ka na, tatimingan mo lang kung kailan ka mag-start. Kasi by batch yan, okay? Hindi pwede mag-isa ka lang sa klase. It's always a group class. Third common question, can I self-study and Anicon Group or Ryogaku will support me for the Ausbildung program? No. Kasi the program is specifically created with the industry partner kung saan the kind of teaching is preferred towards sa meron tayo ngayon. What if enrolled ka na sa labas, pwede ka namang lumipat sa amin after. What if yung enrollment mo is hanggang dulo na? Sige, we will consider you, but technically still you will have to pay the fees excluding the language courses. Yun lang, we will have to check specifically yung certification mo pa rin. The ideal scenario is itong number 3, dapat mag-start ka talaga through our program kasi we monitor you, your performance characteristics during the whole process para mas mataas ang chance ng endorsement mo sa industry partner. Okay? Eto, next question. This is very common. Recently, I had this from our sub-agent in Cebu. She has a B2 level. Can we still support case to case? We still need to qualify and work internally how to support. The student will still need to pay the necessary fees minus the language programs. Okay? Basta yun lang yung fee natin, yung nakita nyo kanina. Do you have a cheaper program? For a study abroad program, trust me, this is the cheapest or the most affordable. The regular study abroad programs, kasi this is kind of special, Ausbildung visa, but the regular study abroad programs, we can debate on this all day. I dare you to check everything online. Wala kayong makikitang mas mababa dito na wala ring show money. Okay? Yung meron kaming pinakamababa is sa South Korea, Italy, Lithuania, nasa maybe tuition fee lang siguro nasa 200 to 300K tuition fee plus other fees. Pero yung mga yan may show money yan. Okay? So mataas pa yung ilalabas mo. I can assure you this is currently the most affordable and easiest study abroad program, especially if you're tight on the budget. So what is the guarantee of the program? All right. Everyone likes guarantees. Okay. I'm not a fan of it because I do believe you need to work on it. Having a guarantee, especially on things, for me, it makes you, it's my opinion anyway, it makes you too complacent sometimes. All right. For me, you have to create your destiny. But this program, does it have a guarantee? Definitely, yes. The program is guaranteed to have existed for many years and is guaranteed to have sent and accepted Ausbildung visa programs. Okay? Na ngayon, what is the guarantee that you will be accepted? That is up to you on reaching B2 level. Again, the only condition we ask is you reach B2 level within the timeline we have provided and whatever we will discuss along the way. What are the things we may discuss along the way? For example, I saw your resume. tinanong kita, sir, anong goal mo? Gusto mo maging caregiving ka mo sa Germany, pero ang background mo IT. Nasabihin ko, sir, technically pwede, pero ito strategy mo. Habang nagtitake ka ng 1-year German online, I know maybe you're working, you're employed. Pero kung gusto talaga mag-caregiving, take volunteer work in your community. Yung magbibigay ng certificate, kailangan mong patabain ng resume mo on the caregiving side. Volunteer work sa community, DSWD, Red Cross. Again, you need to redesign your resume para pag sinabit sa industry partner, makikita ay pwede. Kasi technically, hindi kailangan ng work experience. But if coming from the perspective of an employer or an industry, why would I suddenly hire you just because you want to? Nakabase lang ako sa papel. What if sinumpong ka lang? That's how it goes, right? I'm sure you get the point. So I'm basing it on the paper. I can hire you without experience, but I need to see somehow you really have that interest. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng palipat-lipat. That's waste of time, money, and waste of reputation. So we will teach you on how to create your profile properly. So the guarantee of the program is there, but the final say is still up to your performance. Hopefully that's clear. Right, few more slides. I'm happy to answer. Nakikita ko marami nag-type. That's very, very good. What is the class schedule? Class schedule is at least 20 hours per week. There will be 3 schedules per day that a student can join. This is a real-time study program. So mag-aaral po talaga kayo, magiging working student kayo. You don't need to stop what you're doing in the Philippines. Continue to work. Yun lang, talaga magsasacrifice siguro kayo ng Netflix and chill time, bebe time, gala-gala, kasi you will be studying. Ang schedule ng classes either morning, afternoon, or evening, daily. You just need to attend classes daily regardless of the time. Alright? Para to make sure you reach the level needed. Talagang full-time classes po ito. Right? What if I don't reach the target language level on time? Then you'll just have to re-enroll and extend until you reach the level required. Okay? Pero ito nga, what we're doing as your partner is we're trying to simulate scenarios to increase your chances, like making it more hybrid. Maybe once a week meet with your classmates. If you're in Manila or wherever you are, we can meet you just to get that feel like, okay, this is your dream. Don't forget about it. We can exchange ideas. We can talk in German. I don't speak German though, but you can talk to me, right? Know what I mean? So we'll improve your chances. And another thing, how much is the allowance and how about food? Ranges, the range of allowance is 800 to 1,200 euros per month. How much that is, kasi alam ko hindi kayo magmamat guys. Wait lang ha. Bago ng internet natin guys. Euro, 800 euro. Pinakamababa po ang 54,000 pesos. Isipin nyo, ay, ang baba naman, sir. You're being greedy. Kasi unang-una po, again, you are getting only stipend for the apprenticeship. Okay? And you are there under apprenticeship or the Ausbildung visa, not a work visa. So you need to be patient. Okay? You're earning the 50K all on yourself. Wala kang ginagastos ng accommodation. Walang pagkain in some cases. As in, wala. Libre lahat. Sustentado ka. So, binigay ng kanang kamay sa'yo, huwag nang hingi ng kaliwa. Alright? And additionally, as mentioned kanina, it's possible you can still work on the side. Kasi under a student visa program in Germany, okay, pwede ka mag-work 20 hours per week. So it's possible you can still earn more. Technically, you can earn 6 digits if you want to. Legally, possible din naman siya. But again, we're going on the safe side. This is your possible minimum income. 50K, wala ka na ibang gagastusin. All yours. Right? Di mo kikitain sa Pilipinas basta-basta yan. Right? Then, do you need work experience? In most cases, no. You don't need the work experience. But again, we need to design your resume properly for you to reflect the career that you want to take. Right? And also, when we do the discussion, pag nag-sign up kayo, you can be honest with us. Just tell us what you want. No judging. It's okay. Pero we need to put you on the right track. Kasi ang kadalasang mali ng mga students, gustong i-take ang course nito kasi uso daw. That's not sustainable. Okay? You're spending money. Although for a study program, this is very low. Pero still money. I don't want you wasting your money just because uso ngayon. Take a program that you're gonna be good at, that you're gonna be happy at, and all the money will follow later on. Right? So, that's it. And these are my contact information. You can always take a picture of this. Nandiyan si Ma'am Ye, the one who's doing the TikTok. You want to message her. message her on TikTok lang naman po, walang problema, or at sales@ryugakumarketing.com. All right. Now I'm ready to answer all your questions. Let me just take a sip of my tea. Open ko lang camera. 6:30. Baka gutom na kayo. Standby lang po tayo. Let me answer some questions right now. Okay, let's start from the pinaka-bottom. Ay, pinaka-taas pala. Alright. Ano ba ito? Puro note taker mo to. Okay. Okay. Meron pa kayo free vocation program in Spain naman po. Waka from Waka. Wala po. Sa ngayon, walang ino-offer na, meron daw free diploma courses ng Spain. But I doubt it's totally free. I'm sure you need the language. I see that online. I think it's Phil Global. Phil Global is one of my friends. They're a sub-agent of ours for our French school. Very good friends. I honestly don't know what they're promoting, but as far as my knowledge goes, marami sa Europe ang free schooling, regardless of the level, but you always need a language for it. So check it out. But for us, we were not offering it. We don't have it right now. It's not our focus, but if you want to work with us, let me know. You can sign, then give me time. Just give me maybe 2 to 3. Actually, 1 day kaya ko pero medyo loaded lang. So 2 to 3 days to find that program for you, to determine if that is entirely true. Okay? Luigi, any payment flexibility na offer po, kindly elaborate. I think I answered that a while ago when I did the presentation. So yung pinaka-payment flexibility is yun na yun. Okay? You just need to pay, ang initial again is 5K muna, then the balance can be paid later on. Basta you need to pay in full yung initial and the tuition fee at least 1 week before the classes start. So 1 week before October 15, so technically next week. Okay? Yeah. So let me know. I'm open to discussions naman. Pero yun nga, if you don't pay in full, we will have to cancel you from classes. Okay? Okay. From Waka, kami po ba mag-enroll sa GOAT if magpa-certify na po? Yeah, we'll teach you how to do it. Madali lang naman. We'll guide you on how to do everything from step 1 until step 100. Okay, gagayad namin kayo. Basta kailangan, siyempre, maganda yung comprehension ninyo. Mamaya sinabi ko na ulit tayo. At don't hesitate to ask. Learn to listen lang po. Okay? Then, pag tinuruan namin kayo how to do it, yun lang sa certification kayo magbabayad ng 10,000 lang naman. Okay? Si Noel, sayang already 35, turning 36 by 2026. Elizabeth, pero yung Sir Noel, depends on how you look at it. Sige, if you have other options, go for it. If you want to do a regular student visa, I'd be happy to assist you. Pero if you are willing to take risk on this, learn language for 1 year, kung wala ka na may ibang gagawin, what's there to lose? What you're gonna lose is maybe you didn't try. What can you win is 2 things. Either you pass, get an employer, dahil napaganda ang resume mo, or you're able to study in Germany for free. If not in Germany for free, saan pa sa Europe may mayroong German language speaking? Belgium. Okay? Pwede ka rin mag-aral ng libre. Again guys, sa Europe maraming libreng aral. Ang catch lang, you need to learn the language. Ngayon, if you will choose to study in Germany or Belgium for the free education, I can still help you for free. Walang problema. Whatever you paid, basta galing ka sa program, pwede natin continue yan. Wala ka nang gagastusin. That's why our support to you is hanggang matapos kayo at makagraduate po. Okay? Hopefully that's clear. From Waka, sa previous batches niyo po, ano po usually sa nangyayari after students after finishing the Ausbildung? After in Germany, most of them are staying abroad. All of our students who we deployed abroad, lahat sila nagsistay. Even those in Bulgaria, nagkuha ng short course, lahat na tumawid ng Spain. Yun lang hindi ko alam ang ginagawa nila. Okay? Pero lahat nagsistay abroad 90% of the time walang umuwi. Because that's what Filipinos want. They don't even want to study. But in reality, the fastest way for you to get a work and migration pathway is via a student visa related programs. Okay? Assuming pasado ko sa B2, ilang po chance makapasok, makatanggap? Again, it's subjective to you. What I can assure you 100% there's the offer. For you to pass, it all depends on your skill and how you listen to us. All right? 100% there's an opportunity. It's up to your skill, subjective to you on how you can get that opportunity. We only need B2 guys. Yun lang naman yun. Gregorio Eloria. Yes, meron tayong pharmacy technician and clerk. Nakita ko yan. Basta pharmacy technician, I think yung nakita kong term sa Ausbildung. You can also Google it, Gregorio. Check mo lang, makeitiningermany.com or check Ausbildung program for pharmacists. Lalabas yan, makikita mo. The list of Ausbildung can change again regularly. Ano ba bago yan? 300 courses. So, baka wala ngayon, bukas nandyan, as in it updates. But definitely, there's opportunity for pharmacy programs. Okay? Thank you, Gregorio. From MJ Lotus. Very good on the questions. I love this. Number 1, how about currently enrolled as nursing first year college but wants to pursue other field? Pwede naman po. Hopefully, I'm not talking too fast. Walang problema po. Pero yun lang, if for example, natapos ka na MJ sa program, do you intend to continue with your degree here or mag-Ausbildung ka na sa Germany? It's up to you. Okay? Pwede naman po mag-switch ka. Pero yun, patatabain talaga natin yung resume mo. We will discuss about that when you sign up. How can we go about it? Take certificate courses in TESDA, volunteer work, or online, whatever. Yung IT, yan. Kuha ka ng mga online crash courses. Maraming libre kahit sa Facebook Marketplace, pwede yun. Or Google, forgot yung term ginagawa ng Google, Google Classroom sa libre. Marami yan. LinkedIn even pwede. Is 3 years fixed? Yep. It's the government dictated 3 years Ausbildung po. If you want to move to another EU country, you think Germany, is it possible? That's the good thing about Germany, guys. Once you finish the program after the Ausbildung, either you take, technically kasi you can change to a job-seeking visa. Okay? Ang term yata sa Germany, I forgot the exact term, but let's use job-seeking visa or PGWP. Yan yung alam ng karamihan due to Canada. There's a post-study program, the job-seeking visa. You can either find a job in Germany or if you can find outside, it's perfectly fine. Okay? Ang magiging challenge na i-consider mo is paano yung migration mo. Kasi kung nag-start ka na sa Germany, mas maganda sana doon mo na ituloy kasi may points ka nang na-earn by studying Ausbildung. Kapag lumipat ka, you'll be counting another set of points for the migration in that country. But it's entirely up to you. Baka hindi mo goal yung migration. You can stay naman while working there legally, walang problema. Kung gusto mag-Spain para maging citizen ka, mas mabilis. Pwede rin po, walang problema. But that's a good thing about Europe, guys. One country is equal to 28. One visa is equal to 28 countries under Schengen zone or European Union. I'm in Germany, you can Switzerland, lipat ka na Italy, Spain, Malta, Romania. Kayo bahala, ang daming option. That's a good thing. It's very, very flexible. That's why the amount you're paying versus opportunity, very, very good. If after the 3 years apprentice program, what is the outlook if the long-term goal is not a blue-collar job? You can get promoted internally, right? Of course, you start with the apprenticeship. For example, naging nursing assistant ka. You can grow internally na, climb the corporate ladder. Kasi you can speak German na, number 1. Number 2, nando ka na sa level na nag-aral ka at their expertise. Okay? Iba yung level ng expertise kasi ng Europe versus Philippines, sadly. Okay? So, I'm from UP. Pagdating ko rin, medyo useless tayo konti. Okay? Le-level ka talaga. So, huwag kayong mag-alangan. So, definitely, you can go up the corporate ladder. Again, once you're there, it's all up to you, all up for grabs. From Gregorio. Last question, Sir Gregorio. If all processes were done, do they cover? Yes, Sir Gregorio. Covered ang accommodation mo, pati airfare. Yung airfare, ang sabi sa akin, it is deducted on your stipend for in the next 3 months yata. Hindi siya isang bansa. So, deduct sa stipend mo yun. Accommodation, sagot nila. What kind of accommodation? It depends. Can be shared house. Ang tawag shared house, Big Brother house eh. Okay? Shared house or maybe shared room. It's entirely up to you. Or you can opt not to choose it. It's up to you. Basta supported naman lahat. Kaya yung kikitain mo na kahit sabihin minimum na 50K, yun yung minimum ha. Sobra-sobra yun. Wala ka ng gastos eh. Unless may sugar baby ka lang. All right. I appreciate all the questions. Thank you for those who stuck. Thank you, Gregorio. If you guys, again, are interested, please message us or email us. I'll put my email here. Send me an email or WhatsApp or Viber so I can send you the contract. Give me your email address or send it to you. That's the next step. Then we shall continue from here on. Again, if you want to check as well our legalities, just check out anconinc.com. Let me share. I'll share our website para makikita niyo lahat ng information doon. Okay. Anicon. This is the main company where Ryogaku is under. Again, I am the owner of Anicon. I am Angelo E. Concepcion. Kaya Anicon. Okay. You can always check us out. We are registered at SEC as a corporation, but si Ryogaku registered pa rin siya separately under DTI or Sole Prop. Okay? So yun siya. You can just browse the website. You check. Internet. Ayan siya. Same company. Okay, matakot. The history is here. We have our office in Ortigas if you want to meet up. But for me personally, because I'm located from the south, if you want to meet me in person, you have to schedule for me kasi it's all usually my staff who's there. Kasi mga guys, masweldo sila, ba't pupunta pa ako lagi? Ba naman kayo? They're gonna be supporting you. Yan. So yan yung mga services natin. Our social media accounts, YouTube. Okay, sa YouTube nandiyan yung recording ng mga approved students natin for the whole company. Okay, from Canada, the Canada traditional market, from Europe, from East Asia, kompleto po tayo. Ayan, ito mga to, yung mga Bulgaria paid internships natin. Ito si Yean, Team Anicon natin, nandiyan din yan. Yan, USA, Europe, okay. Click here, lalabas na rin ang link sa ating Facebook page. Yan, and ito si Ryogaku, okay. Okay, and some of our clients hindi pa updated pa nga, should be updating this soon. Business Tampere, yan, school natin sa Finland yan. Maraming times ko, I just never really updated this kasi pampakapal lang naman. You can ask me na lang. Alright, ito yung schedule natin for visit. We work on a hybrid schedule, kaya ideally by appointment tayo. Baka mapagod kayo pag pumunta kayong office because traffic is so bad, let me know. And our satellite office for Ryogaku is in Laguna. That's why I'm in the south. Okay. Yan. Okay, questions pa po. Anything else you guys would like to know? Right? 1, 2, 3. All good. I appreciate all the questions and thank you very much for joining. Again, if you want to sign up, hopefully you can join the start of class is October 15. If ever we'll delay it, and delay is October 30. Pero expect natin October 15, guys. We work outside of Filipino time. So, okay, we try not to follow Filipino time kasi marami tayong European counterparts. We must be strict about it. So let's go October 15. Sign up na po. If you have friends who wants to join as well, let them sign up. Then we can give you discounts dahil sa sign up nila. Usap lang po tayo kaagad. Right? Thank you very much, everyone. And I look forward to hearing from you. Yean, thank you for facilitating this. Appreciate your assistance. And happy weekend, everyone. Have a good night. Bye-bye.